Kidney transplant. Introduction. After kidney transplantation, the patient has to take medication for the rest of his or her life. Select true or false. Correct. A kidney from a deceased donor lasts longer than a kidney from a living donor. Select true or false. Correct. Every patient on the waiting list will eventually get a deceased donor kidney. Select true or false. Correct. When I'm on the list, when should I contact my transplant center? Choose one of the following options. 1. Anytime my address or contact phone number changes. 2. Anytime there is a change in my insurance or financial situation. 3. Anytime I am sick or have a change in my medical condition. 4. All of the above. Correct. All kidney transplants are successful. Select true or false. Correct. Are strokes and heart attacks common during and after this operation? Select yes or no. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.